We didn't have to.
You idiot! You are trapped now!
Oh my god, the gerbil's gonna eat my ankles. You're a bitch, bro. Of course we got it.
Alright, what's up my guys? So we got a lot of work to do today. So we have the CNC, which basically just got delivered. And we gotta go and clean up the shop now because it is an utter mess. So, wheel and tire rack obviously needs to get taken down. I'm probably gonna make it into a 3-stacker, like wheel and tire cart. That way we can just move it around and then just completely take all the wheels outside the shop if we need more room, rather than keeping it up like that. This tool chest cart, something needs to be put over there. One of those workbenches needs to go against the wall over there. That tool chest box thing needs to come over here. That shelf needs to move over. And in general, everything needs to get cleaned up. So it's gonna be a busy day. Do a little before shot. You guys can see what I'm talking about. Look at all these tools and stuff over here. Got this entire thing just like completely covered. Got our whiteboard. We have product stuff. There's helmets on the ground. Wheels and tires, rear hatch glass, tool holders and bits. CNC. Got the drift trike. Hopefully it looks a lot different when we're done, boys. Yeah! So we're cleaning out this area over here so that way we could move this shelf back, and here's a lizard right there. So that's gonna be fun.
I'm gonna take a video of him. I literally shit my pants when I found him.
Oh, look at big boy over there.
Dude, it's huge.
I didn't say he wasn't.
Dude, his tail's like as long as my entire from middle finger to bottom of palm. That's a big one. I don't like him. Oh my god, he's gonna run straight at me.
Oh, he's bad looking, bro. Oh, he's spooling. Oh, he's spooling and pulling, bro.
I know, I'm waiting for him to just leave the frame in 0.2 seconds. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, he's really moving. Okay, I'm gonna send him your way.
Oh god.
Oh my god!
Get here, boy.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
The
He sees
plan
me.
is going very wrong.
Go that way. Yeah, do that.
Come in here. Oh.
No, go toward Adele. Go toward Adele. Oh my god, he ain't scared of nothing.
He wants to fight you. Get in here. Get in here, boy.
Okay, go. I don't want to squish his tail. Come on, friend. Give him something to stand on. Yeah. Do that. Come on. Oh my god! Yay! We didn't have to.
You idiot! You are trapped now. Oh my god, he's gonna climb up the side of the wall.
Wait, I want to see you dump him.
Here.
Just keep shaking him so he stays down. We should keep him as a pet. He's really big.
Hey, we caught a lizard. We caught a lizard.
Feed him to the gerbils. Wait, come back. Oh my god, the gerbils live in
We
here.
have to release him into the neighbor's property.
Oh yeah.
Bye-bye, Lazard.
I can't.
Oh, there he is.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
I don't know where he is, but I'm leaving. Bye. Oh my god, the gerbil's gonna eat my ankles.
Alright, back on the task at hand. Edie's doing a good job sweeping. Alright, so we're on V2 version of the shop now. So we got a workbench over there, and clears the door, has an outlet running to it, so we can work on stuff over there, and we have quite a big open area. Then, moving on over here, we brought the new tool workbench area that Edie bought me. So this obviously still needs to get filled and organized, but at least it's right here. It's about the same height as the table, which ends up working out really well. We have the outlet, of course, so we can use all of our tools on it. And it basically ends right where the end of the pegboard is. So this is like perfect right here. Over here, we put the old toolbox chest thing, and I'll probably have like the machine tools. So for the CNC, they'll probably be stored over here. And then this is like product area, and then over here, I'll probably store more of like the machine tools and stuff as well. So I'll probably have the whey lube oil and like...
It's really close.
I'll probably have the whey lube oil as well as tool holders and stuff over here, kind of out of the way. This stuff over here we don't really use, and there's just like random paints and stuff like that. So this will kind of just get used whenever we need it. We could still have easy access to it. There's random nuts and bolts, there's like spare racks, hockey pucks, suspension bushings, that type of thing. So we don't really need access to that every single day. So that's over here, and then all the back of the CNC is the back of the CNC. So. Alright, now we're gonna keep cleaning. We got quite a lot of the shop organized, and what I'm gonna work on next is the wheel and tire rack that we had hanging up on the wall, which had like 2 videos on it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this up into basically 3 sections over here. Then I bought some swivel and caster wheels to put on the bottom, so I'm gonna hopefully make a like 3-level, I guess, wheel and tire rack. Either that or maybe like a 2-level at minimum. So we'll start taking this apart and see what we can do. Okay, so I got my one section cut out. Like 1 more to go. That's the second layer cut. Now I'm gonna take 2x4 and then cut it to length over here, so that way I have a 2x4 cap at the end for both of my layers. Just like that, we have the piece cut out over here. Just gotta screw it in place. So I got 1 level over here and another level over here. And I guess now I'm just gonna work on cutting out pieces of wood and then attaching the caster wheels to it, so that way I can get a little moving base going on. Got my squares cut out where the caster wheels are gonna go, and now I'm just gonna screw them in place. Now I gotta take the caster wheel that I'm gonna be using, put it on my piece of wood, mark out where the holes are gonna go, drill it, and then bolt my wheels on. And just like that, got all of our wheels bolted up. Sweet. Now this will go like that. Dope. Now that I got my moving base, what I need to do next is create like the legs here that are going to support the second layer. So So the idea is to take this long 2x4, screw it in over here, but then also have another 2x4 screwed in over here a little bit higher, so that way that 2x4 also takes the load right there. And then hopefully, because that 2x4 will be taking the load, as well as like, you know, the screws that are holding this 2x4 into the side, it should be able to hold it well. So, and I know making these posts is going to be a little bit of a tedious process, so we'll just skip to after I have these posts done. And there we go. These are our 4 posts that are going to be holding everything up. Let me explain it. So basically this is going to screw on to the outside of the cart over there, right? And then this little opening right here is the perfect width of a 2x4, so that is going to carry the second layer, which is back there. In this top area, we have enough room to bolt up the third layer, which I haven't really built yet, and I'm still questionable about whether I'm going to do it or not. So all I got to do is take those posts, stand them up on here, one on each corner, then screw them in, then take that second layer and put it in, and then hopefully a third layer, I build it by then, and I can put the third layer on.
Jesus. Oh my god, the gerbils are multiplying.
It's breeding time, boys. Cool, we only got 4 more. I mean 3 more.
Number 3, my lord.
Pick number 3.
Can we go to Olive Garden?
If you behave and help me. If.
But I never behave. Oh, she's a good one. My little feet getting all day. Spin me!
Hmm?
Spin me. Hippo.
Trust breathing.
King of the castle, king of the castle.
Wow.
Wow, wow, up, wee wow, look at me. Here, hold this, my Punnett square. You're a bitch, bro, of course I got it. My homies back there got me, they got me, you know. Wow, it actually kind of looks like you have muscles when you flex.
Thanks.
Roll me around.
So I have the 2 front ones, which are bolted from the side, and the 2 back ones, which are bolted from the back. Ah! That way we have lots of room to put the wheels in from the front. And then we also get 2 different types of like strength, right? Because like one is good in one direction, the other one's good in the other direction, but now we have like a mix of both. So that's pretty good. So should be stronger this way and also allow easy access to put the wheels in.
I knew it was off.
It's not off. It's flexed in. Oh, look, see? Same.
Oh, okay, I'll push it out for you then. Oh god, I feel so bad shoving like this.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Ah, buttery, huh?
No.
See, that's nice. Look how solid that is right now.
Oh wow. Honestly, I didn't believe you. But
That's pretty nice, huh? You don't even look, that's not even like the side supports or anything on it. Your waist is smaller than 15 inches, haha. And now we just got to screw it together.
What'd you say, boy? What'd you say?
My name's Pluto. Know your name, Toba boy. There's the second layer screwed on. Now I'll just quickly build up the third one and then screw that one on. Third layer finally done. You can layer on top like that. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, finally done. So tiring. For the finishing touches, I had these hooks which I used on the original tire rack in order to chain up the rack to the wall, but now I'm gonna flip these around like that, and I'm gonna have these screwed in so that way I can run a ratchet strap and hook it on right there and actually strap down all the wheels when they're on the stand. That way when I'm moving it around, they don't fall over, and also just in case there's an earthquake or whatever, they don't fall over, so that'll be the last thing to do. Easy access to the front because these posts are mounted on the side. Boom. See how look? Those things aren't going to be falling out. This thing is sweet, dude. She's loaded up now. We can still put another stack of wheels and tires up top, but I don't have anything right now, so this is all she's going to carry. And still moves nicely and everything. Shop is a little bit messy, but it's definitely improved. So I'm just going to give you a quick walk around of where it's sitting at right now. Got a bunch of junk over here still need to clear out. Tire rack's looking good. Got a whole bunch of new grips and clamps out, by the way. So this is just some I have like already sitting out. Hangboard looks alright. Sharpie wall. Product stuff. And still got the CNC. So yeah, that is it for now. Check. I thought this would be a good outro clip, so we're just gonna go with it. But anyways, the shop is cleaned up and organized now. We have the rolling tire rack and cart built.
This is really awkward. It's like really awkward.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.